Keeping track of all your smart devices can be really frustrating. Mazo, a project set to launch soon from Enexa Design, could simplify your life by gathering all your favorite smart features into one convenient wallet-sized device. Mazo's powerful Bluetooth speakers let you listen to music wirelessly from your phone. As a power bank, Mazo simultaneously charges up to 4 devices from a USB port, even while transferring files to or from your phone or computer. There's an omnidirectional mic for hands-free voice or video calls, and you can also dock your phone to Mazo in 3 separate viewing angles. Mazo also acts as a motion sensor. If it's moved or anything attached to it is moved, Mazo will sound the alarm alerting the owner. If ever there was an ultimate jack of all trades, Mazo is definitely the one. Many species of animals can detect the electrical signals transmitted by other living creatures, such as humans. Sharks, for example, make use of this ability to detect potential prey in their environment. But these divers aren't too concerned about that, because they're wearing the Hex Stealth Screen suit. The Hex has conductive carbon fibers woven into its material, creating a barrier that 95% of electric signals can't pass through. The Hex dive team reports much closer contact with ocean life, including some amazing shark encounters. Users also report amazing success with land animals. This demonstration with a signal receiver in a piece of Hex suit material clearly shows the material's effectiveness. The possibilities for safer, closer encounters with marine life makes the Hex Stealth Suit a hit within the diving and research communities. If your tape measure isn't measuring up, grab a bagel. No, not the edible kind. This bagel is a super tough measuring tool with smart technology. Instead of using a thin roll of metal, the bagel has about 10 feet of strong retractable string. Using the string as you would your metal tape measure makes measuring curved surfaces much easier and more accurate. All your measurements can be stored in memory and transferred via Bluetooth to a smart app. Bagel also has a small wheel that can be rolled along a surface, recording the distance as it goes. If the distance is too far, Bagel's remote mode uses a laser pointer which employs ultrasound to measure distances up to about 16 feet. The Bagel brings measuring out of the Dark Ages and into the 21st century.